In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your hosting or website. If you're looking to monetize your site, integrating Google AdSense is a great step. So let's walk through this process together in a way that's easy to follow and understand. First, you'll want to start by going to your Hostinger account. Open a browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. You'll be greeted with a variety of options, all designed to manage your hosting services efficiently. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, find the section labeled Websites. This is where you'll manage the websites you currently have hosted on the platform. Click on this tab and you'll see a list of your sites. It's set up to be quite user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate between different sites. Next, you'll need to select the specific website you want to add AdSense to. Each website will have several management options, but for now, focus on finding and clicking the Edit Website option. This will take you to a more detailed interface where adjustments to your site can be made. After accessing the Edit interface, you should see a feature titled More Horiz or something similar. Click on this to reveal additional site options. The menu is designed to keep things streamlined, allowing you to focus on the exact tools you need without unnecessary clutter. In this expanded menu, look for the Apps option and click on it. Hostinger has neatly organized various integrations and tools under this section, making it a centralized hub for enhancing your site's functionality. Now, within the Apps section, you'll find several different applications that can be integrated with your website. Look for the Google AdSense app. It's quite popular, so it should stand out. Clicking on this will lead you to Google's setup page for AdSense, where you can link your account to the website. As you go through Google's setup wizard, make sure to follow all the instructions carefully. You will need to log into your AdSense account if you aren't already, and if you don't have one, Google will guide you on how to create it. Once setup is complete on Google's end, follow any additional instructions to finalize the integration within Hostinger. With that completed, Google AdSense should now be live on your website. You may want to take some time to test your site, ensuring that ads appear as expected and without impacting the user experience. Remember, using Google AdSense provides an avenue for earning revenue simply by allowing Google to display relevant ads on your website. So don't miss out on optimizing your site for potential earnings. Thanks for joining me today, and happy monetizing!